Forgotten username recovery failed on Experian Fix. If you've tried to recover your Experian username and keep hitting a wall, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they assume the old forgot username process works the same way it used to. The surprising truth is that Experian now emphasizes using your registered email or personal information rather than a traditional username. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Experian login page and click Forgot Username. Instead of guessing a username, enter the email address linked to your account. Make sure it's the one you used when signing up, as this is now the primary identifier. Step 2. If you don't remember your email, or it's no longer accessible, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare your personal details like your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number if applicable. This helps Experian confirm you're the rightful account owner. Step 3. If you've forgotten your password as well, select Forgot Password after confirming your email. Follow the instructions sent to your email inbox. Check spam or junk folders if the email doesn't appear quickly. Step 4. If all else fails, contact Experian support directly. Explain that your forgotten username recovery failed and provide the personal details they request. The support team will guide you through a secure process to regain access. Most users think their account is permanently inaccessible, but the reality is simple. Experian removed usernames as a primary login to improve security and streamline access. By following these steps, you'll regain access safely and quickly. Use your registered email, verify your identity if needed, and you'll be back monitoring your credit without unnecessary frustration.